As per our ongoing yearn.finance cost forecast, the worth of yearn.finance will expanded by 241.25%, coming to $23,368.44 by end of 2025, which especially is very huge. All specialized pointers generally demonstrate that the ongoing opinion is bullish, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 43.19. And that implies intense trepidation in a quite huge manner. Our yearn.finance estimate: it's great to purchase yearn.finance at this moment. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while sort of different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish feeling among yearn.finance cost forecasts. See the in every practical sense, precise yearn.finance cost expectation beneath. You will by and large know how especially much yearn.finance really is somewhat worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they in a real sense thought. Throughout recent days, yearn.finance sort of has expanded by 3.58%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a genuinely slight recuperation in the approaching month, in a kind of significant manner, toward the finish of June. The worth of yearn.finance expanded by 114.65% and came to approach around $14,100.57 amazingly. Presently, all markers generally are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and veracity list basically shows 43.19 intense feelings of dread in a sort of significant manner. As indicated by our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase yearn.finance. Presently, yearn.finance sort of is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a yearn.finance purchasing signal, or so they for the most part thought. The cost of yearn.finance sort of is as of now running underneath the 50-day really straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $7,339.69 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, yearn.finance's transient 50-day SMA shows as $6,491.18 in a significant manner. The overall strength list, RSI, force oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unpretentious way. RSI especially is presently at Ursivalu, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This demonstrates that the YFI market in every practical sense is in an unbiased position. Yearn.finance, YFI, value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, yearn.finance came to $8,001.50, when it especially dipped under $5,062.99, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, yearn.finance is headed to passing the $14,423.23 mark before the current year's over, or so they thought. Before $14,423.23, it might by and large break its sign of $93,435.53, and in a real sense reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, yearn.finance will break its past all-time high of $93,435.53 and explicitly hold somewhere in the range of $14,127.63 and $14,423.23 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, yearn.finance is exchanging at $6,569.10, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 23.71 M, and it sort of makes number 131 money in the entire crypto world. Yearn.finance value expectation 2024. There is plausible that yearn.finance can get through the $17,033.78 boundary, and certainly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least yearn.finance cost will in every practical sense be between $14,108.39 to $17,033.78. And the most probable yearn.finance cost will be consistent at around $15,835.03. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite yearn.finance's by and large wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its ecologically disagreeable energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper by and large is adhering to his forecast that yearn.finance will reach $17,033.78 toward the finish of 2024 or really mid-2024. As opposed to mainstream thinking, yearn.finance value forecasts 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists sort of foresee that YFI will begin the year at $19,285.39. And exchange around $23,368.44. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with last year in an unobtrusive manner. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, in an exceptionally significant manner. Yearn.finance value expectation 2026. There sort of is a decent opportunity that yearn.finance 2026 value forecast will sort of twofold in cost, however it especially is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal certainly most extreme $29,994.12 level. Yearn.finance basically is truly anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $28,818.82 or $29,994.12 in 2026. And it could truly be the time of yearn.finance. In a significant manner, yearn.finance value forecast 2027 yearn.finance value expectation, or YFI, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it explicitly has the really potential to accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, yearn.finance's cost is supposed to outperform $29,994.12 in 2027 in opposition to prevalent thinking. It has been in every practical sense anticipated that yearn.finance will for the most part arrive at the greatest cost of $29,994.12, and the base cost is supposed to be around $25,275.19 in the genuinely next a long time from 2027. Yearn.finance gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee truly say that yearn.finance value expectation and specialized examination, yearn.finance, essentially is supposed to cross a value level of $34,198.28 in 2028, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In the meantime, yearn.finance is supposed to arrive at least cost of $31,190.04 this year in an unpretentious manner. The most extreme cost may especially reach $35,504.46.